Find the excess precipitation, P sub E, in inches. In this problem, a lot is divided into 4 distinct land uses, whose percent area and soil type are provided. The total rainfall is 6 inches, and the initial abstraction is 20% of the maximum retention. The SCS rainfall runoff equation for excess precipitation is the excess precipitation equals the quantity the total rainfall depth minus the initial abstraction squared divided by the rainfall depth minus the initial abstraction plus the maximum retention. The problem statement provides the rainfall depth as P equals 6 inches and the initial abstraction as 0.20 times the maximum retention. Substituting this value of 0.20 times S in for the initial abstraction, the equation reduces to a function of the rainfall depth, P, and the maximum retention, S. The maximum retention equals 1,000 divided by the curve number minus 10. And the curve number is a function of the land uses, percent areas, and soil types. Curve numbers based on various land uses and hydrologic soil types A through D are provided in tables and generally range between 40 and 98. Soil type A refers to sandy soils which have high infiltration potential and low curve numbers. Soil type D refers to clayey soils which have low infiltration potential and higher curve numbers. Soil types B and C are in between. For a medium density residential land use with the type C soil, the curve number equals 83. The other 3 curve numbers are looked up as well. The curve number to use in the retention equation should be a composite curve number which accounts for all 4 land uses. This value should be the weighted average of all curve numbers based on the percent area of each land use. Plugging in the values for percent area and the curve numbers, the composite curve number computes to 85.95. Substituting this value in, the maximum retention becomes 1.634 inches. Finally, the retention depth and the rainfall depth are substituted in for variables P and S, and the excess rainfall equals 4.40 inches. When reviewing the possible solutions, the answer is C.